Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Wyze Home Monitoring with Wyze Sensors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Wyze Home Monitoring with Wyze Sensors, start by gathering all required devices. Ensure your Wyze Sense Hub is powered on and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone. Log in to your Wyze account if you haven't done so already. Tap on the Home Monitoring icon located on the main dashboard. Choose the option labeled Add a Sensor to begin the activation process. Select the type of sensor you wish to add, such as a door/window sensor or motion sensor. Follow the on-screen prompts to prepare the sensor for pairing. For door/window sensors, remove the battery tab from the sensor. For motion sensors, ensure the battery is installed correctly. Next, press the Setup button on the sensor until the LED light starts blinking. Return to the app and tap on Next to initiate the search for sensors. Wait for the app to detect the new sensor. Once detected, select the sensor from the list shown in the app. Give your sensor a name for easy identification, such as front door or living room motion. Confirm the name and settings, then tap Finish to complete the setup. Repeat this process for any additional sensors you wish to add. After adding all desired sensors, you can customize notifications for each. Finally, review the monitoring settings and ensure everything is configured to your preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.